mount it has this amazing mobile file cabinet. It's got 3 drawers and it comes with 2 keys. So you're able to have 1 key for you, 1 key somewhere else, or for somebody else who wants access to it. I love that you're only able to open one at a time. So if you have this drawer open, you can't open the other. It's just great for avoiding pinching fingers, getting things caught. It has this organizer in here, which I love. Great to have little paper clips, rubber bands, etc. Small pieces, along with having other stuff in here. And this little drawer is removable. And then the middle drawer is just open, or you could even move that little organizer down. And then in the big drawer is for your files. And the great thing is, with this black piece that it comes with, you're able to adjust this into either of these other 2 slots. You can use it in this format for standard size 8.5 by 11 paper and your normal size manila folders and file holders. Otherwise, if you move this black bar forward 1 space or back 2 spaces in the slot that are here, then you could have longer documents that are legal size, letter size, different sized paper. So it really fits any type of organizational needs here. I use it for just regular sized 8.5 by 11 paper, but it's great. It's on wheels, and the wheels all turn around like that, and so it's great to be able to move around if you need to move it in a different area of the office or your house. Very sturdy, comes fully assembled for the whole body of it. All you gotta do is put on the wheels, which takes a matter of 2 minutes to do. So highly recommend this piece. Thank you to Mount It for providing it for me.